Now we go to the step 3. What is the step 3? For step 3 we will read step 3 will be to find eigenvectors. To find eigenvectors. Already got the eigenvalue. From the eigenvalue we got it in the eigenvectors. Now 3 eigenvalues. You got it the 3 eigenvectors. I can just find out the first. What is the first eigenvalue? When lambda 1. I can make it here 3 eigenvalue. Lambda equal to 0, 3, 14. I can make it a lambda 1 equal to 0. We formed the eigenvectors. What is the formula here? No. Modulus of a minus lambda 1 I into capital X1 equal to 0. So this is our format to find out the eigenvector. So here what is X1? So here capital X1 will be small x1, small x2, then small x3. So this is our eigenvectors. Then what is a lambda 1? The lambda 1 will be 0. What about I? I is a identity matrix. I can just substitute the A. What is a A? In this given matrix, our A will be, just substitute here 10 minus 2, here minus 5. Then here minus 2, here 2, then here 3. Here minus 5, 3, here 5. So this is our given A. Then minus, what is a lambda 1 here? So lambda 1 will be 0. What about your I matrix? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is our A minus lambda I. Then what about a capital X1? So this will be small x1, small x2, small x3. Then equal to 0. So we form the equation from them. So you can just simplify. So this will be 0, anything will be totally, this value will be 0, into 1 will be 0, everything will be 0. So we form the equation. What is the equation? You get it now here 10. This will be 0, 0, 0. So every time will make it a 0. So that we can just add it now. So therefore here 10x1, the next minus 2. So therefore minus 2 x2, here minus 5 x3 equal to 0. Then similarly here minus 2 x1, then here plus 2 x2, then here plus 3 x3 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Then this is our equation number 2. The next, what here now? Minus 5 x1, then plus 3 x2, then next plus 5 x3 equal to 0. So this is our equation number 3. We got the 3 equation. So from the 3 equation we can solve any 2 equation. We get the eigenvectors for the capital X1. I can choose it the 1 and 2. So I can solving 1 and 2. Okay. So here 10x1, next minus 2x2 minus 5 x3 equal to 0. Then minus 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0. This both will be different equations. So I can, if I have different equation, I can choose by using the what? Cross multiplication method. So therefore here x1 by, put the matrix, here minus x2, put the matrix, then here x3, this will be put the matrix. So therefore here now leave it the x1, now can leave the hide it the x1. What is the remaining here now? Minus 2, minus 5. So here 2, 3. What about hiding the x2? So therefore here 10, here minus 5, here minus 2, then here 3, then hide the x3, here 10, minus 2, here minus 2, you can just solve, get it the vectors. So therefore x1 by minus 6, 2 3s are minus 6 plus here minus 6 plus 10, because here formula will be minus 10, here this is a minus 10. So get it the plus 10. Then here minus x2 divide by here 10 3s are 30. 30 minus, so here 5 2s are 10. Okay, the next here x3 divide by 10 2s are 20. So 20 minus 4. So you have to simplify. Got the vectors. So you have to simplify. Now what getting here? 10 minus 6 will be 4. So here 30 minus 10 will be get it at 10. So 20 minus 4 will be get it as 16. So this will be divisible by 2. So therefore, so x1 by here 4 plus 4, then minus x2 by here 10. So here 20. 30 minus 10 will be 20. Then here x3 by 20 minus 4 will be 16. So this all let up divisible by what? This all let up divisible by 4. If you divisible by 4 now, what is the vector get to here? So finally you got it the x1 vectors. So I can divisible by 4. So you get it divisible by 4 now. This will be 1. This will be what? Minus 20 will be minus 5. The next, this will be 4 times. This will be 4. So this is our x1 vector. The next, similarly we find out the x2 vector. When lambda 2 equal to 0 will be what? Lambda 2 I take it the 3. Same. What is the formula here? Here I can put the a minus lambda 2 capital I x2 vector equal to 0. So similarly, you have to apply the lambda value only replace now. So here 10, this will be minus 2. So this will be minus 5. So here minus 2, here 2. Just see the a. This is our a 3. Then here minus 3, 3, here 5. So this is our a matrix. Then what about a lambda 2? Lambda 3 will be 3. What about your I? 1 0 0, here 0 1 0, then here 0 0 1. What about your capital X2? I can take the capital X2 will be what? Small x1, small x2, small x3, like that. Can just substitute here. So x1, x2, then x3 equal to 0 matrix. Okay. So we have to simplify this thing. So here 10, this will be minus 3. I got the equation, huh? So I can directly multiply now. So this will be 10 here. 10 minus 2 minus 5. So here minus 2, 2, then 3. So here minus 5, 3, then here 5. So this will be minus, I can multiply inside. So I can put the plus sign. So here 3, here minus 3, this will be 0, 0. Here 0, minus 3, 0. So 0, 0, this will be minus 3 into equation. What about your equation x1, x2, here x3 equal to 0 matrix. We have to simplify a minus lambda 2 high. So here 10 minus 3 will be 7, like that. Have to simplify, you get the answer.